Bible trivia of the day. Did you know that there are 5 shortest books in the Bible? The first one is 3 John, contains 219 words in Greek. The second one is 2 John, contains 245 words. The third one is Philemon, contains 335 words. The fourth one is Obadiah, contains 440 words. The last but not the least is Jude, contains 461 words. So this is the trivia for the day. Up next, we'll be having another trivia regarding the Word of God for more learning. God bless.